apple, red and sweet. Crunchy and juicy, what a treat. B is for ball, bounce up high, rolling and flying through the sky. C is for cat, soft and small, listen to her gentle call, meow. D is for dog, he loves to play, barking and running every day. E is for elephant, big and gray, spraying water, hooray, hooray! F is for fish, swimming fast, wiggle your fins and splash, splash, splash. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet, reaching for leaves it loves to eat. H is for hat, round and neat, put it on your head, what a treat. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy, sweet and tasty in my tummy. J is for jellyfish, floating free, wiggly and giggly under the sea. K is for kite, flying high, dancing and twirling in the sky. L is for lion, strong and loud, king of the jungle, brave and proud. M is for monkey, climbing trees, laughing and swinging with so much ease. N is for nest, cozy and round, a safe little home where eggs are found. O is for orange, juicy and sweet, a yummy fruit that's fun to eat. P is for penguin, sliding fast, waddling and giggling, such a blast. Q is for queen, shining bright, wearing her crown of golden light. R is for rainbow, color so bright, shining after rain, what a sight. S is for sun, shining high, smiling down from the bright blue sky. T is for tree, tall and green, home for birds, a lovely scene. U is for umbrella, bright and wide, keeping us dry when rain falls out, see. W is for whale, big and blue, splishing and splashing, how do you do? X is for xylophone, ding ding dong, play along and sing this song. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast and feeling bright.